Hi, good afternoon. We're here down on the Seymour Group floors in Chicago. Let's take a look at the lean hogs. Boy, from peak to trough, we just had a big move. We've sold off pretty hard, but we've now, what the technicians will look at is we've got 50% of that big break back, right? And that's going to be a level that technicians and some other traders will look. Maybe we have some consolidation, or guys that have just seen that big move and have been long, see a nice 50% bounce, or they call it a retracement. They might lighten the load there. That's why I think you've seen lean hogs off here on a day-to-day basis. We're lower today because, look, you've just seen it really, really bad. Now you've gotten 50% of that money back from that big peak to trough move. Why not maybe lighten the load here? So that'll explain away a little bit of what you've seen as far as price action goes on the minutia, on the minutia basis. So also, we've had some peak to trough moves in the protein complex, cattle as well. And we depending on what you're talking about, this is what the technicians look for, this 30, 40, or 50% move back to a level that you're gonna start to see technicians kind of wade in and maybe make a little bit of a play here, because these will be levels. Can we get through that 50% retracement level? Or if it fails, we're going to go back down and take a look at the old lows. That's the type of thing that these technicians will be looking at. And again, in lean hogs, we're right around that 50% retracement level, something to keep an eye on. Also, when we start to talk about the technicals, it's because we don't really have any fundamental news. Now, we're still waiting for the USMCA. That's going to be the biggest news for lean hog producers. I know, but for some reason, the media in Washington has been pointing their cameras and their newspapers the other way. Obviously, we've just had the Mueller report. So it's funny how you can see some of these news things kind of move to the back pages when there's more of a bigger event, but at the same time, it's a real important event that we've got to worry about with the USMCA and getting that done. So keep that in mind. Even though you don't see about it and read about it and see it every day, it's still there. It just means that it's not on the tip of the tongue of the folks in the media that won't want to tell us what we think we should be important or not. So that's something, again, these are binary events. They happen either up or down, right? And we'll get some sort of clarification on it soon, but it's, again, going to be something that as a trader or an investor, you have to take a look at and maybe take stock of. That's it from here.